Come on. I'm so sorry about that little hiccup. There was an emergency I needed to attend. I'm sorry about it. Come back. Come to Mama. Come.
Who are you?
My name is Angel. And I'm sure I told you that before. Listen, no girl has ever made me feel the way you made me feel. And for that reason, I want to keep you all to myself. Come on.
Please.
No, don't bother. The door is locked. It's not going to open. Just come back. Don't be silly. Come on.
Please.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
I love you already.
Please. I just want to go.
Come back here. I am in love with you. And I do not want to share you with another.
I don't want to have anything to do with you. I'm married. I'm a married man.
You are married? And you never told me that.
I told you now. I told you.
No! You did not tell me you're married. In fact, I asked you and you said you're a single man. You lied to me? You cheat on your wife with me?
Sorry. I'm sorry I lied. I'm sorry, eh? Please.
You are very stupid.
Yes.
This is the last time you will lie to a woman. Come here. I don't joke with married men.
Please, forgive me. Forgive me. I lied. Forgive me. I just want to go. Eh? I just want to go.
Come back here. Come. You are mine. Today will be your last day of cheating and lying to women. Come back.
Forgive me. I won't do it again. I just want to go. Just let me go.
Fine. I will let you go. But on some condition. You will not tell anyone what has happened here today. Not even your wife. Because if you do, I will kill you and I will kill your wife.
Kill me. Don't kill my wife.
Secondly, I would have you whenever I want to. And thirdly, you must not turn me down when I need you.
Everything you say I will do. Eh? Please just let me go.
You can go. The door is open.
I can go.
What is it? What's going on? Why are you cigarettes and shots? What happened?
Hey, babe.
What happened? What's going on?
Babe, I was robbed though. I was robbed. And I was shot at.
You were shot?
Where?
Why are you shot?
That's what I'm saying. They took everything from me. They even shot. I'm wondering where the bullet didn't enter.
When you shot it, there's no bullets wound. What's going on?
That's what I'm saying. But now, am I still alive? Am I still alive?
You're alive.
I'm alive. I'm alive now.
You're alive. Oh my God, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You're alive. You were shot at. Let's just go inside, okay? Let's go in.
Babe, what happened?
I caught you in bed, making love with another woman, and she tried to kill me.
Same dream. I was in bed with another woman and you came into the room. And she used her power to hold you by the neck and did the same thing to me.
Same dream?
How come?
Are you cheating on me, babe?
Babe, no.
Are you cheating on me?
No, babe, this is just a dream. Babe, this is not a dream. Oh, come. You know I will possibly not cheat on you. Come. Yeah, don't come in. The door is open. Huh? Wait, what are you doing here? What are you doing? How did you know where I live?
What a silly question to ask. I came to see my man.
Hey, look, you need to leave my house. My wife did not go far. What are you doing here?
Even if she walks in here, she does not have the ability to see me. You see me because I let you. Now tell me, did you miss me?
Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened the last time. But you just need to leave my house, please.
It actually happened again last night. But your wife disturbed us. I almost killed her.
The dream?
It wasn't a dream. That wasn't a spirit dream. Listen, I can actually have sex with you here in physical or in the spirit realm.
Look.
Okay?
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
I love you, Fred. And secondly, because you're a cheat. You cheated on your wife with the wrong lady. And I've never had it so good before. This time around, I want to keep you to myself. I don't want to share you with anybody.
Please leave my house.
Come on, lover boy. Let's go to your room.
Look, I don't want to have anything to do with you. Please, just leave my house before my wife gets back.
It is not your place to say I called a shot here. Come with me.
How did you do it? How did we get here?
I brought you here. I compared you to your first experience and I'm sure you like it.
Angel, stop this now. Stop this.
I would have made you rich and powerful if you never lied to me that you were married. Coupled with the fact that you were a cheating husband. And now that I have you in my hands, it's either me or no one else.
Angel, please. Please don't hurt my wife.
I won't hurt your wife if only you keep to your promises. Make me happy all the time and be a good boy. Come on. Come to mama. Come to the bed. Come to mama. Come here. Come to mama.
Angel, you have to stop this now.
Come to mama, sweet boy. Come on, make mama come. Oh. Come on.
I'm so confused. I don't know what is going on.
If I understand you well, you said he was shot and he did not die.
Yes.
I think you should be happy about this.
You're not getting it. That same night, we had the same dream. How can two people have the same dream and be in the same dream?
I'm still confused.
See, look, I knew my husband for 5 years before we got married. I'm suspecting he's involved in something.
I think you are stressed. You really need to calm down. The only thing I see here is that he was shot and did not die.
Then you think he's into some kind of bad stuff because of the dream you both had. So confused, honestly. You need to calm down, okay? Everything will be alright.
Don't worry, she won't see me.
Baby, where did you go to?
I went to see Linda.
How is she?
She's good. Is there a problem?
Um,
Are you okay?
yes, I'm okay. I'm okay. Let's go in.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. Let's go in. Okay.
Babe.
I'm alright. I'm good. Just come in.
You've been acting strange for a while now. What's the problem? Just tell me the truth.
Babe, I'm fine. Nothing's going on. Look, I've just been thinking about the dream we had last night. It's a strange one.
And what else?
What do you mean, what else?
Fred, you're my husband. I know when you're okay and when you're not.
Babe, to be honest with you, I'm fine.
Are you in some sort of issue you don't want me to find out about?
No. Something like what?
Is my life in danger?
Oh, no, now, babe, not at all.
Is your life in danger? Listen, Fred, look, do not underestimate me, okay? I can help. I also want you to consider our baby.
Babe, calm
just tell me
down.
the truth if there's anything.
I know. Look, everything is fine, okay? Trust me now. Eh? No, what's come. Let me take you in. You need to rest. Come. Let's go. We need to rest. Okay? No, everything is fine, babe. Easy. Easy. How the baby doing?
You sure you're fine?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Why are you worried? I'm good. I'm fine.
Fred, don't tell me this is not a joke.
My weekend was here. The lady is still tormenting me.
Ha! You don't know that. That means she's a ghost.
I don't even know what she is. All I know is she appears, disappears. Wait, do you know this lady was kissing me, but my wife could not see her?
Obalaji sons of Nigerian, the son of David. Hey! Like in your house?
Yes.
That means you are kissing a ghost like she's a ghost.
I don't even know. Like, I don't know, my man. Now, no matter what they do now. I carry me, eh? Now I don't carry water works.
My friend. Are you considerate?
You don't tell me that.
You are out of it. That is why I carry woman. It's not every woman you see on the way you carry. Some of them are spirits. Me, as you see me, so if you want to carry woman, I used to play.
So now they preach give me now. No, now they preach give me Victor. I'm telling you my problem now. You're blaming me, telling me sometimes one thing. By way of this.
So you don't like when someone is telling you the truth?
Victor, go to the office. Go to the office now. I have something to do. Yes, please come in.
Sir, the applicant we asked to come to this.
Oh, okay. Bring her in. As you can see, I have an appointment.
Okay, it's fine.
It's as if you know the carry.
No be sad.
No be
sad.
I beg you.
See, I dey carry woman.
Yes, please come in.
See you.
Please.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Can I have the credentials? Your credentials are quite okay. You have a good working experience, but the issue is, I don't know if you can.
Please, sir. I really need this work. I can do anything, sir. Please, I just need this work.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Not really.
Not really. You have a boyfriend or you don't have a boyfriend?
I do, but not in a serious relationship.
So you're saying we can go somewhere and chill during lunch, then we can discuss your application?
It's okay by me, sir.
Okay. Calm down. I know you're busy, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
Just hold on. Let me go inside and wash up.
Okay. Well, be fast. I have to go back to work.
No problem. I'll be right back.
Yeah, hello? Who's this? Angel. Yeah. I'm at work.
You lie and cheat.
Oh. Hey, look, I'm sorry.
You couldn't offer her a job. An innocent girl that came to you for help. Fred, must you sleep with every girl that comes to you for help?
No.
You are attracting problems upon your wife and unborn children. If you want to help someone, you can actually do it without gratification.
I'm sorry. It will never happen again.
Make sure you give her a job, because if you don't, you would be attracting more problems for you.
I will.
I'm ready, sir.
Oh, don't worry. Just get dressed, okay?
What happened?
No, it's fine. Nothing at all. My lunchtime is over. Yeah, so you can actually get yourself home, okay? And yeah, please, don't forget to resume work tomorrow, okay?
Tell me, is anything the problem?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just go.
Angel, what is wrong? I know you so in love. Can you please have mercy? Men are born to make mistakes. No, you are legal. Can you tamper just with mercy? I know you in love, but he can't love you back. Angel, what is wrong? Why did come to woman earth. You disturbing someone's love. Angels say, please leave me. It satisfies me so well.
Hello, baby. Baby, you have to come home now, please. Baby, just come home. I don't know what's going on. I can't explain. Just come home, please. I'm not safe here. Baby, please, I'm in the room. I'm in the room. Yes, just come home, please. Please. Babe. Baby, is that you? Baby. Baby, is that you?
Calm down. Don't make noise.
What did you do to my wife? And where is she?
Nothing. She has been the one running around acting dramas.
Did you touch my wife?
Calm down before you get me angry.
Where is she?
She's in the room. She actually thinks she's hiding from me. Fred, I want to make a proposal.
Look, I'll do anything so you can leave my life alone.
Divorce her and marry me.
Are you crazy?
Don't you ever speak to me like that again. If you try it, I will kill you. I will give you time to think about it. I have to take my leave.
Babe, what happened? What happened? What happened? Tell me, what is it?
I don't know how to explain it. I don't want you to think I'm crazy or I don't know what I'm saying.
It's fine, just calm down. Tell me what happened.
Okay, so I cooked, brought the food to eat, went in to get water.
Okay.
By the time I returned, the food had disappeared. I thought for a moment that I came in with an empty plate, so I dropped the water on the table, turned around, and the water disappeared too.
Babe, are you sure that is what happened?
You are not going to believe me.
No, babe, calm down. Okay, look, we're going to fight this, okay?
We have to do something, please. We cannot continue to live like this. Something is happening. We need to seek for help, please.
What kind of help?
We have to seek for spiritual help. Something strange is happening in this house and I cannot keep quiet about it.
Baby, what are you going to tell the person you're seeking spiritual help from that happened? That your plate of food disappeared with a glass of water?
Okay, what about the dream?
Dreams are those dreams.
No, that dream wasn't just any dream. Okay? Something terrible is happening in this house and you know it. The other day I saw you acting all terrified, but you refused to talk to me about it.
Baby, because it was nothing.
No!
It was nothing. It was just all of your imaginations.
You know you're not a good liar, right? You know it.
Babe,
You mean what you just told me now?
Dear, initially I thought I was being crazy. But you see, the disappearance of the food and water confirmed that I was not dreaming.
Could it be that the house is haunted?
A house we've been living in for years?
I think you should seek help from somewhere.
Where? Linda, where do I go to?
I know of a woman who can really help you and your husband. But I don't know whether you like that kind of place.
Hold on. You know someone that can help?
Yes, no.
But you're doubting if I would want to go to that place. What is my business with the place? I just need solution. I'm tired of being haunted in my own house.
Babe, she's a spiritualist. And they call her Mmiri.
I don't care what they call her. Don't you get it? I just need solution. I want somebody that can help us. Please.
Babe, I will talk to her first.
I'll really appreciate it.
Okay, it's alright. You need to calm down, okay? So how have you been since yesterday?
I don't even know how to say it or what to feel. At least we were able to sleep well, but there's this odd presence I feel anytime I'm alone. I don't know.
Okay. I need to call Mmiri, but you need to pray more often. Okay? Just take care of yourself. You know you're pregnant.
Thank you.
You see what cheating and lying has brought into your life. You want to lay every girl that comes your way. You want to sleep with everyone that asks for your help.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I am your favorite restless spirit, doing my job.
Look, restless spirits, this is working hours.
I know, it will soon be your break, your lunch hour. So we will be driving down to your hotel room to have some fun.
I don't have time for this.
You don't know what you got yourself into. Whenever I ask you for love making and you refuse, your wife dies.
You will do no such thing.
Let's see to that. And by the way, what about the girl I caught you with in the hotel the other time? Has she started working yet?
Yes.
Call her, let me see.
Fred! Fred! Fred, what is this? What is going on? Fred, you have to tell me the truth. What is this? Tell me the truth!
Babe, babe, I don't know. It was in my dream. I saw myself making out with a lady.
Maybe you have a spiritual wife.
No, babe.
Is that the same woman in our dream?
I don't know. I couldn't see her face.
Oh my God. I knew it. I knew it was not a mere dream. I knew it.
Babe, calm down.
I knew something was wrong. What is this?
Babe.
Don't touch me.
Baby, it was just a dream now. It was just...
I kept my clothes here. No. I'm sure I left it here, yes. I left them here, my top and my leggings. What's this? What is this? I know you're here! And I know you can hear me! Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? Just leave us alone! Leave us alone, please! Please, just leave us alone, please, I'm begging you! Please, leave us alone, I'm begging, leave us alone! Please!
Your husband is at the center of the word of a strong and angry spirit that comes from the deep water.
Hey, I'm finished.
The problem is capable of taking your life and that of your husband.
Mmiri, what is the problem? And what can we do to stop it?
First, he has to confess.
Confess?
He has to tell you the truth. That is where your healing and the solution to the problem comes. I am not permitted to say anything until he confesses.
Confess what?
He did something. And that is the origin of your problem. Once he confesses, then I will start looking for the solution. Man.
Fred, please. What is the problem? I promise I wouldn't hold it against you. I'll forgive you. In fact, I have forgiven you already. I swear on our child. I will forgive you. I won't hold this against you. Please. Just tell me the truth. Please.
What do you want me to tell you, babe? What do you want me to say? The only one thing I keep telling you is what you already know. I'm just making up with that lady in the dream.
You are lying. I went to seek help somewhere else. The woman told me you have to confess. You started all of this. She said only when you confess, that is when she can find a solution. Else it will claim our life, yours and mine.
Okay, so you're believing this woman you went to see over me?
It's not about what I believe.
Then it's about what?
It's about the truth. I'm only begging for our lives. I'm begging for your life and mine. Fred! Fred! Fred!
What is all this? Where will I start? I don't want to die. I don't want my wife to die. Wait, so she went to find a solution. That is good. At least there's a solution.
Keep telling your wife it is a dream. If you ever confess to her that you cheated on her with me and I've been tormenting you ever since then, I will kill you. Remember I told you, it is neither me or no one else. I will give you time to think about it. Divorce her, else I will make you hate her.
What do you want from me?
You already know. I told you what I want, Fred.
What is it? What are you bleeding?
I did it. I told you I would deal with you. This is just the beginning.
God will punish you! God will punish you! You will not get away with this!
I am a god, and no other gods can punish me.
Honey, please now, please.
This is no longer funny. She lost the pregnancy just like that. Was the doctor able to tell you what triggered the miscarriage?
He said it could be stress.
Yeah. A lot has been happening recently. I think it's stress.
Your world to come to human earth. You disturbing someone's love. Angels saying, please leave me. You satisfy me so well.
You are unbelievable. When she comes to you in your dream, why do you always accept her? Can't you walk away?
Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry? You refuse to tell me how all this started. Amidst all the problem, I lost my child. I lost my baby. And you're here telling me you're sorry. Fred, you know you're hiding something from me. You know it.
Honey, please. Honey. Please.
Good morning, handsome.
What are you? Wait, are you a restless ghost or a marine spirit or what? What is it?
I am a sweet spirit. Come on, let's go to work.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Honey? Who are you talking to?
If you don't go with me now, I will kill her.
Leave my wife alone! Leave my wife! Honey! Leave my wife alone!
Meet me outside.
Honey! Leave my... Sorry. It's okay, come. Sorry.
A lot of things are happening, yeah. A lot of things are going on.
In the spirit realm, you're my husband. And in the physical realm, I will make you rich and powerful. But first, your wife has to go. It's either you divorce her or I will kill her.
Look, if you want to kill me, you would have killed me sense. Because you would have done it. But you don't want to kill me. You actually want to kill my wife. That is why you decided to kill a pregnancy.
You are right. You see, hurting your wife means hurting you. And also hurting you means hurting your wife. The damage of the pregnancy is just a teaser for me, so you know how serious I am.
Yes, come in.
Yeah, my man. How far now? Who did you discuss with?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Wow, I heard you discussing with somebody. They were coming here, there's no one. I hope that confused spirit woman is no longer disturbing you. I don't understand. Only you in the office making noise.
No, she's not. I'm okay. Look, why don't I come see you in your office? Let me finish up what I'm doing here, okay? Yeah.
I heard you talking, like, are you making call?
I was actually on a call. Well, let me just sign some documents here. I'll come see you in your office.
Fred, you look confused. Like, is anything the matter?
No, I'm good. I'll come to your office soon. Let me just sign some documents. Let me attend to this. I was on a call earlier. Yeah.
I'll be waiting. They say you're coming, right?
Yeah.
What did he just call me? A confused spirit woman? I will deal with him.
Look, please. Don't touch my best friend.
Did you tell him that I'm a confused spirit woman?
No, what else?
Now you're hurting me. Fred, you're hurting me. I don't want to hurt you, but right now you're hurting me by saying that.
Look, you want to kill me, just kill my girl over with it.
No, I won't kill you now. It will be too quick. I won't hurt you. Because I love you. Come on, sweet boy.
Yeah, come in. Oh, this one. How are you doing?
I guess you're not okay at all. Judging by the way you talk to me in the morning when I came, you're not fine. So, what's up?
Well, She was here.
You mean our general secretary?
The spiritual man was here.
Inside his office. Wait, you mean she was here when I came and made that statement?
Yes, she was. Look, she was even saying she was going to kill you.
And you couldn't give me a sign to close my mouth.
I had to start pleading with her not to.
She will kill me. Father, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the Son of David, I cancel him.
Why are you going like a big church?
Babe, you need to calm down, okay? We'll go see Mmiri again.
Nina, you don't know what I'm talking about. You don't understand what I am saying. No, I just said I heard him talking to someone. Came out to see who he was talking to. I came out and I didn't see anybody. The next thing I was gasping for breath. I couldn't breathe. I was struggling. I fell and he had to practically come and assist me. Not even I go myself.
This is strange. Could it be that the person after him keep appearing to him physically?
I don't know. I don't know. But I think my husband is probably involved with some occult people and they're threatening his life. This is more than a spiritual wife issue.
Mmiri said she cannot do anything except he confesses.
So good. I have pleaded with him. He should tell me what the problem is. I will forgive him. But he said there is nothing. And there is nothing for him to confess. What do I do?
Just give him time.
What time? I will not stay in my house and you're telling me to give him time?
Yeah, calm down. I can feel your pain. Everything will be okay. Just calm down.
I'm not safe in my house.
Some live a life of doing, mistake others they wait for the percussion. Yeah.
Now that I have prepared you against her, you have to promise me that you will talk to him calmly. You have to handle this with wisdom. The spirit loves your husband. If not for the love she has for your husband, you would have been dead.
She loves my husband. But does my husband love her?
No. No. Your husband loves you so much. That is her anger. But Mmiri, we know some people are born into this world from another world. He's the spirit woman, the spiritual wife. Far from it. Nadine, your husband cheated on you one day with her. Yes. He saw her and carried her to a hotel. There he made love to her in a way no other spirit or man has ever made love to her. Dear, she fell in love with your husband before your husband told her that he's married. Then she became jealous and angry.
My husband cheating on me is the cause of all this problem?
Calm down.
Just be careful. Make sure you talk to him calmly. Okay? You have to handle this with wisdom. Be careful. If you make your husband angry, she will kill you.
Hey, Mama. How are you?
I need to ask you a question.
Okay. Why is your face like this? Go ahead.
Do you love me?
Okay, what kind of a question? Of course I do. You know I love you more than anything in the world. Like, I can't trade you for anything in the world.
So why did you cheat on me?
I did not.
Don't you dare lie to me again. I found out about everything. Yes, I know the truth. The day you cheated on me was the day all this started. Why?
Look, honey, I'm sorry. It all started the day I barged in here on my short and singlet. One.
The day you told me you were robbed and shot at?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Honey, look, I'm sorry.
Oh my God, you are unbelievable. You're a lying cheat.
Honey, I know. I'm sorry. Look, there's nothing I could do. She said if I spill the truth, she's gonna kill us both. I am sorry. Please.
Hello, my love. How are you doing? I missed you so much. I can't get you off my mind. Don't worry, you can't cut the cord. Is your wife there? Tell her that I'm coming for her. She can't take you away from me. You are the only one who have made me feel like a woman in my entire life, be it human or spirit, in all realms. Fred, I love you and I will always love you.
Honey, please, listen to me. Please, I am sorry.
You know what? I'm leaving this house for you and your lover. Okay?
Please.
I'll leave.
Honey, please, you can't leave. You can't leave now. Honey, please, you can't leave. If you leave, she'll take over everything. She'll kill me, please.
She'll kill you. You're the one who cheated on me with her.
Sorry.
And you heard her. She said I can take you away from her. Look, I cannot compete with a ghost or a spirit. I cannot, okay?
Honey, please. Please, honey, please, you have to stay. Stay and I'll fight for what belongs to you. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
I should fight. Fred, if you love me, you would not cheat on me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Honey, please. Honey, please, honey, please, honey, please, now. You cannot leave. If you leave me, I will die. Please. Please.
You broke my heart. You know I love you so much and you cheated on me. How could you?
I'm sorry. Okay, look. If I could turn back the hands of time, trust me, I will. But I can't. Please. Leave.
You broke my heart. You cheated on me when you know that I love you so much.
Let her go. I'll be here for you.
I love you too.
Madu, please. Don't go. Don't go, please. I am sorry.
I will make you rich and influential.
This me will pull through together.
What is it? Honey, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Babe! Honey, what is it? Talk to me now, babe. Honey. Baby? Baby, talk to me now. Eh?
You can talk to us.
Babe. Babe, talk to me now. Eh?
Why are you crying? You can talk to us. Oh my God. I think she's paralyzed.
Babe. No, this cannot be happening now. Linda, please, help me call this woman now. Help me call her. She told me you took her to some woman's place, so we can go there, please. Eh?
I'll talk to her. But you know that she always accepts people on appointment.
Then call her. Call her. Tell her what's going on now. Tell her what's going on. Eh?
What sort of life is this? How long am I going to be like this? If I had known, I would have left earlier before that particular day, and I would not have forgiven him. How long am I going to suffer for a crime committed by my husband? Is this what love is all about?
Please now, please.
I'm calling her.
You brought this upon your wife. Now she is being punished for your sin.
I know. I made a very big mistake. But that is not why we are here. Please help me save my wife.
We are dealing with a very stubborn spirit here, who has vowed to do everything possible to have you as her man. And if possible, she will take you to the world beyond very soon.
Hmm? Wait. Are you saying she will kill me?
She will kill you if you push her hand. We have to wait. I will appease the Supreme God to fight for her. I can't fight her. She is just messing around you. She doesn't want to kill you or your wife. But she has vowed to inflict more pains to you and your wife.
Please, do everything possible. My wife is in pain already. Eh?
I have done the little I can. You have to take her home. I will appease the Supreme Goddess to heal her and to forgive you. That is the only thing I can do for now. Have this.
must be very stupid to think you can challenge me to a fight.
I never challenged you. You came to our house, threatened my husband, whom I am legally married to. Lightness and darkness have no connection. You want to take him away from me when you know he loves me so much. You are nothing but a jealous spirit.
Your husband broke my heart. He lied to me. He made me fall in love with him before he told me he was married. When I asked him, he denied that he was single. I will hurt Fred. I will deal with Fred. I will make him suffer. And the best way to do that is to hurt the thing he loves so much. And that is you.
Why must you fall in love with another woman's man? Why not go to hell and get your own man?
I am here to stay, and no power can stop me. I will deal with you. I will deal with you beg for death to come. I will make Fred hate you. I will force him to divorce you. Then I marry him, and I will kill you.
You can't kill me. You are not my creator.
You don't know. I will hurt you so bad, and you will beg for death to take you away.
And I will have to fight with all I have. You can't take my man away from me.
I accept this fight with all pleasure. Let's see how it goes.
Hey, Fred! She's opened her eyes.
Honey, talk to me. What's happening? Talk to me now, honey.
Honey, I can't hear you. Please, I have been tied somewhere, and the woman in our dream threatens to kill me. You have to tell her that, Mmiri. I wish I can hear what they are saying. God, what is wrong with me? What type of affliction is this?
Fred, I think she's trying to speak.
Baby, talk. Angel, or whatever you call your name, where are you? Leave my wife alone! You shameless ghost! If you think your boss, take me and leave my wife. Spare out this pain now.
You have to calm.
How can I calm down? Honey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're passing through this because of me. I'm so sorry. Just say something. That would just say something to me. Say something. Can't you see she's not talking?
Why are you disturbing me, Mmiri?
The princess of the sea. To err is human. To forgive is divine. I seek for your permission to heal someone under your punishment.
That would never happen. Or do you want to challenge me?
No. I am only pleading that you will give me permission to free someone that is under your bondage.
That would never happen. Her husband broke my heart.
But why not to take your anger to her husband?
It is the same thing, can't you see? When I hurt her husband, she will come to you for help. And you will seek my permission to heal them. Mmiri, I will suffer her until she dies. Do not dare me.
So, Fred, this is becoming something else. You mean for past 3 days she has been like this? Like, she can't move her body or talk?
This whole thing is all my fault. What I don't seem to understand is why this so-called lady or spirit choose to punish my wife and not me.
Yes, she chose your wife because she knows when she punishes your wife, she's also punishing you.
But whatever she's doing, she has succeeded.
Oh, wow. Right now, what is the way forward? Because I know you're not going to leave your wife like that.
Of course I can't. We took her to one spiritual woman that her friend introduced us to. But the thing now is the woman is saying we have to appease the spirit.
I don't understand. You mean your spirit girlfriend? I mean, another spirit?
Victor, I don't understand. What do you mean by my spirit girlfriend?
No, I mean that ghost now, that your ghost woman, that ghost so will cause this problem. You don't understand what I did talk. That ghost woman now. Fred, you know the young that ghost woman I dey talk about. You dey sleep?
Fred, what you are asking me to do is not easy. She refused to grant me the permission to heal her. And without her permission, I can't do anything.
So, is there no other alternative we can take?
We have to wait.
But we have waited for 3 days now. 3 days.
We have to continue waiting.
But we can't keep waiting. My wife is dying now. My wife is dying.
She does not have the permission to take her life. No.
But for how long?
That I don't know.
So is there any other person you can recommend for us? Look, my wife is dying slowly.
Fred, you have to be very careful before you incur the wrath of the goddess. Be warned. Be warned. Kama mmiri garikwamu, ka febekwa n'elu mmiri. Nna mama nwe, ka febe n'elu mmiri. Kama mmiri garima, ka febe n'elu mmiri.
Babe, I can see you are tired. If you can't find a solution to this, don't worry. Even if I die, I will always be with you. I can see fears and worries in your face.
I don't know if you can hear me, Nadine. I am trying. But this time I am becoming afraid. I tried talking to Adamari to ask for help, but she says she's not been given the permission to help us. I know you're in pain, but I'm doing everything possible to get help. I am sorry that I'm making you pass through all this. I am very sorry. Baby. Please, no. You have to eat so you have strength.
For how long do you intend to do this? You think she'll survive it?
What are you doing here?
I came to see you, of course.
Okay, see me, please. Leave.
Meet me in the room. I'll be waiting for you there.
You wait till eternity.
A lot of things are happening, yeah. A lot of things are going on inside this house. Can someone tell me why this wrong in my house? Can someone tell me?
Why do you seek me, Adamiri?
The queen of the river. The queen of all the queens in the water kingdom. I greet you, mother. Your beauty is second to none. You reign supreme above the seas and the ocean. Mother, I worship you. Mother, I have been tasked to rescue someone that is under the bondage of your subject. Please, mother, I need your permission to free her from that bondage.
I have no idea about such torture and bondage. Hence, I cannot grant you the permission you seek without knowing who is the offended.
It is one of your subjects. She is hurt and heartbroken. And as such, hurting her means she hurting the offender.
I have heard you, my daughter, but I can't still give you the go-ahead. I will have to find out who issued the torture and why. And then I will know how to solve the problem. You will have to call back in the next 4 market days. Is that clear?
Yes, mother. She said I need to call back in the next 4 market days.
4 market? But that's wickedness now.
Be careful before you speak in against the water goddess. You have to be patient, Fred.
Patient? What if she dies? Eh?
If she dies, then that is the will of the goddess. There is nothing I can do without her permission.
But it's natural people make mistakes.
And it's also natural that people are being punished for their mistakes.
And where is forgiveness in all this?
Sometimes, punishment comes before forgiveness.
Forgiveness should be based on condition.
That is human belief, not of the goddess. You girls should get prepared. We shall be going to the water tonight.
Yes, mother.
Fred, I think we should try hospital.
Victor, this has nothing to do with medication or hospital.
Maybe 1 or 2 drugs will step her down. I'm going by the tears running down from her eyes. She's in pain. Your wife is in pain.
My wife is not in pain. My wife can't even feel anything. She can't move.
Then, if she's not in pain, why is she crying? Are you inside her body? Okay then, what about emotional pains?
Victor, are you listening to yourself? Emotional pains. Now, does medication cure emotional pain? No, what drug will she take to cure emotional pain? I'm telling you that I know what the problem is. My wife is not moving, my wife is not talking, nothing is happening. This is not medical, this is spiritual. And if you want to attack this thing, we have to attack it spiritually. So if you want to help me, please just suggest one way we can actually do this spiritually, please.
Fred, you surprised me. So you even know what is happening to your wife. And she's crying. You left her like that. Anyway, it's alright. You already know that I'm not into spiritual things. So there's nothing I can do about
Look, I'm trying my best. Please, just help me out. Eh? If you want to help me out, just...
No, you're talking as if I have not been helping.
You have. I'm not saying you're not. All I'm saying is just try harder. Please now. Please, let's sort out a solution for this thing.
I have already suggested go to hospital. This girl requires their parents will come for you. I know why I did tell you this thing. Fred, go to hospital. Then if doctor, they couldn't find anything, then you now know it is spiritual. Look at the way your wife is just lying.
You mean you went to the human's world to seek for a lover?
Every spirit does so, Mother.
No, not all spirit does.
I went out one fateful day and I met this sweet, handsome man. He made love to me like I've never felt it before. Then I fell in love with him.
Or do you know he belongs to another before sleeping with him?
I do not know that he belongs to another.
Did you ask him?
Oh yes, I did, Mother. But he lied to me that he was single.
You would have just left with him and leave.
I'm sorry, Mother. I wanted to, but he was so sweet. He made love to me like I've never felt it. And when he told me he was married, I was heartbroken. Up until now, Mother, I am still heartbroken. I want him all to myself.
And why are you hurting his wife?
Because hurting his wife, Mother, means hurting him.
Then how long do you intend to punish him?
Mother, I want him all to myself. I want his wife out of the way.
One of my faithful daughters, who served me diligently, has asked for my permission to free her from your bondage. You have to free her and channel your anger on the man.
Mother, you prefer human over me? Please, Mother, please give me some time to torture her the more.
I have spoken.
Do you love her this much?
Love my wife.
Then why did you cheat on her?
I made a mistake and I've already apologized.
Do you think if the reverse was the case, she would do this for you?
She will do even more.
Are you sure?
Look, I'm not in for any of your troubles tonight. I just want to be with my wife.
No, you don't have a say. I call the shot here.
I'm not afraid of you. You can go ahead and do anything you want to do. You can kill me. But in all you do, please leave my wife out of this.
You are the reason your wife is going through hell.
I am aware. I know this. And even if you kill my wife, trust me, I would not marry you. And even if you compel me to marry you, you would not get the love you want.
I love you, Fred.
You love me, I don't love you. Don't you get it? That is the difference between humans and whatever you call yourself.
I will frustrate you until you do my bidding.
You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do.
It is time.
Time for what?
Hello, boy. How are you?
What are you doing on my seat?
Come on, relax. Have a seat, we'll have a discussion.
Look, I'm not in the mood to have any discussion with you. And please don't sit down on my seat. Don't try it next time.
Oh, really? Well, I just left your house and your wife is suffering. Why don't you just give it up?
What do you want? No, tell me, what is it that you want? You don't want to live my life alone. You don't want to leave my wife. What's your problem?
I want to marry you. And I'm going to kill your wife if you don't do it.
If you kill my wife, I would never get married to you.
Anyways, I came to inform you that our engagement is tonight. You're going to ask me to marry you. Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. Excuse me.
Angel, what is wrong? Why did you left your world to come to human earth? You disturbing someone's love. Angel say, please leave me.
I'm happy for you. Oh, I'm happy. Sure. Yeah. Wow.
Honey, are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? I hope I did not hurt you. Huh?
Is he still making out with that spirit woman in the dream? God, I want you to deliver my husband. Set him free from the bondage of the evil woman. Please.
Look, I have told you, whatever happened there is none of my business. That's totally your business. No matter how much you try to compel me to do your bidding, it will definitely not mean anything to me. I have a wife and I love my wife.
You are already doing my bidding. We got engaged and your friend Victor was a witness.
Come in.
I heard you talking again. Are you okay?
I'm okay, Victor.
You are not okay. Everybody in the building is hearing you. Anyway, never mind. I have something I want to discuss with you. I don't know if you're alone.
Tell me you're alone.
Please sit.
Honestly, your mood is scaring these days. I don't really understand.
What do you just want to talk about?
I had a dream last night about us.
And what happened in the dream?
I dreamed where you engaged a beautiful woman. And I was there. I woke up from the dream. I felt bad because I know you love your wife so much.
Victor, please leave my office.
You mean that you...
Victor, please leave my office!
Told you. We have witness. And you were so happy being with me.
I would never be happy being with you.
Ah.
Enough. Mama! Afọmụrụ isi na ọ ga-adịrị m mma n'eke dịkwara m mma n'orie dịrị m mma n'afọ dịkwara m mma na nkwọ ọ ga-erukwa oge ị ga-egosi na ịbụ nne m
Akudobi yamona yon, Usekudobi denu. Usinaga de kwala ni mainuna. Anamaka. Amaka, no bada Mmiri. Usina amaka, no bada Mmiri. Asabu kama Mmiri garima. Namu kamari babu Mmiri. Namu manu kani bananu Mmiri. Kama Mmiri garima. Kanga bananu Mmiri. Namu rume. Kama bananu Mmiri. Kama Mmiri garima. Kanga bananu Mmiri. Kama Mmiri garima.
Mother, but I pleaded with you to give me some time to torture him the more.
You were not hurting him, but his wife. But I think it is time you let go of whatever you have with that family.
Mother, I am your daughter. Do you prefer her to me?
You are my daughter, and yet you disobeyed me. Mmiri is my faithful servant. She has asked for a permission to free her from your bondage. And again, you are not supposed to fall in love with human. You are only allowed to go out there, have fun, and return to the kingdom.
I am a princess, Mother, and I have the right to do whatsoever I want.
No, Angel. In my kingdom, there are rules. If you like this man that much, you bring him home here and marry him.
Mother, you know bringing him home to marry him means he has to die in the physical world.
I know. Like I said, you bring him home here and marry him. And remember, once you bring him home here and marry him, you are not allowed to go back to the human and have fun. It is your choice.
Welcome home, Mommy. How do you feel?
It won't get better. It's just my limbs are still bothering me.
Sorry. Are you okay? You're good.
Are you hungry? So I can make something for you to eat.
I'm actually hungry. I need to eat real food.
I'll make it happen. Take it easy. Just relax, okay?
Okay.
This is what I've been talking about. Okay, done. Let me take you upstairs so you can chill and shower. So you can done before the food is ready. Yeah, easy. Easy. Sorry. I know you're here. Eh? Just, we're sorry now. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Leave me and my wife alone. What is it?
You've not suffered us enough. Have you not? My husband cheated on me. On me! And I have forgiven him. Why are you so pained? Tell me. Because of you, I lost my pregnancy. I lost my child. I got paralyzed. I suffered. I was between life and death. What else do you want from us? Tell me!
We're sorry. Leave us alone now. Leave us alone. Please.
I love your husband. And I have tried to hurt him through you. I asked him to divorce you and marry me, but he refused. I have the permission to bring him home and marry him.
You're the person, the woman in my dream. So you've been the one tormenting us. Oh my God.
Bring me home, where?
It means you have to die in the physical way. And we'll get married in the spiritual way.
No, you can't do that. No.
Oh yes, I can.
I will not marry you. Even if you kill me, I will not marry you there. I don't love you. I want to leave us alone now. It's not by force.
Do you want to prove to me that you both love each other, right? Fine. Let's see how it goes.
Babe, I can't open my eyes. I can't open my eyes. I can't.
No, just try. Can you try and open it? Can you try?
I can't. It's as if there's so much sand inside here.
Okay, let me take you to the bathroom so you wash your face, okay?
Okay, do you think it will work?
We just have to try.
It will not work. You are blind, Fred. You can't see. But yours comes with excruciating pains. Soon, you'll start having a strange migraine that you will wish for that to come, but it will not come. Your wife will have sleepless nights henceforth. She says she loves you, right? I want to watch how much she really loves you.
I have never seen a heartless angel! What have we done to you? I don't see any reason for you to torment us like this!
No, you won't see the reason, but others are watching and they are learning from your husband's mistake.
Angel, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
I know you're sorry. I just want to see how much your wife loves you. Good night, Fred. See you in the morning.
Nadine, she wants you to leave me. She wants you to leave me. She wants you to leave me, but it's a trap. If you leave me, they'll kill me. They'll kill me. She will take me to her kingdom.
I will never leave you, okay? I will never leave you. If she wants to kill you, she will have to kill both of us. Okay. It's okay. Just sit. It's okay. No, sit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just sit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mother, you are a mother. You make it easier. I will worship you. I will serve you. I assumed this is not a friendly visit. And I know that the Queen Mother has not given you the permission to hurt me.
I warned you to stay away from my affair.
I was brought into your affair. I seek permission from the Queen Mother. She gave her permission and I healed her.
Yes, you did. The Queen Mother said that she's innocent. Hence, I transfer my anger to my offender. But I hope this time around, you don't meddle in my affair.
I will not meddle in your affair if no one comes to me for help. I serve humanity. And I cannot turn my back against them. When they come to me for help, I will help them. And the Queen Mother will take all the glory. Or you want me to tell the Queen Mother that you are stopping human beings from worshipping her, giving her all the glory and sacrifice? Is that what you want?
Mmiri, when they come to you, turn them down.
I do not answer to you. I answer to the Supreme Goddess. I am her subject, not your subject. I respect you as the princess of the sea, but I cannot take order from you.
Mmiri, if you fail me, I will unleash my anger on you and everything that related to you. Do not dare me.
Then we shall see at the chamber of the goddess. I am Madam Mmiri.
She did this to you?
Please pray for me.
Chai. Daddy, when did this happen?
Last night. We couldn't even sleep.
Oh, wow. Hi. Have you applied anything yet?
No. But I've contacted Linda to come with Mmiri.
Oh, the same woman that killed you?
Yes.
Okay, she's on the way already.
Yes.
Chai. Oh, wow. It's critical. You know, when you called me, I was in the office and we were supposed to have a board meeting. I left it. Chai. So sorry, my friend. Now, get well.
Victor,
Yeah.
you have to go. Just tell them that I traveled, okay, for a week. Please see that things are running smooth at your office. Please.
Alright, my brother. It's okay. I will
Thank
do anything for you. You hear?
Yeah.
See, Nadine, this is the right time to show him love. Show him that you love him. Take care of him. And don't hesitate to call me anytime you need my help.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. I'll be going right away. I'm late to work.
I know you were here. Look at what you did to someone you claim you love.
I want you to deny your wife. I want you to profess your love for me. And give me the permission to kill her. Then, I will heal you of this sickness.
I love my wife. And nothing you could do would change that.
Fred, by the time I am done with you, then we'll see if that wife you claim to love so much would not leave you and run away.
She would never do that.
You think so?
She also did this to you? After she has afflicted you with blindness? Oh no. When did this happen?
Some minutes ago.
I think it's time I report her to the Queen Mother. I can't take this anymore. You have to take care of him. Linda, take me out of here, please.
Yes, Lord. Thank you.
I will get back to you. The Queen of Queens, the beauty of the universe, I greet you. Mother, I know that I'm not supposed to be disturbing you. But mother, can a mother be sleeping while her children are in trouble? Mother, you said to me, as far as I'm faithful to you, that you will always answer me anytime I call on you. Mother, I called you for another request.
I know. You summoned me here because of the affliction my stubborn doctor melted on someone. And I know I have promised you. I will always keep to my words. As long as humans worship me through you. I will talk to my doctor. I have given her option. It's either she brings him home and marry him, or leaves him alone with his wife. If she decides to keep torturing him, I will see that she stops.
Mother, you are a merciful mother. And I know you will not like any of your subjects to cry. And I know you will not like anyone that believes in you to lose faith. The belief that anyone that comes to you with problem will go with solution. Mother, please, if you allow Angel to bring Fred home, Mother, which means he is dead on earth. Mother, what will people say? What will they say about your power, Mother? Please, I want you to look into it. Mother, forgive him. Tell your daughter to forgive him. Please, Mother. He has learned from his mistake. Other men that cheat on their wife will learn from his mistake. Mother, please, I plead. Tell your daughter to put an end to this torture. Please, Mother.
If she decides to bring him home, and you want me to stop her, there will be an exchange, life for life. But if she keeps torturing him, I will tell you what to do. Is that clear?
Yes, Queen Mother.
How long will this continue? Now I know why she said torturing me means hurting him. I am dying inside. How long will I manage a blind man with genital elephantiasis? Should I just walk away and allow her do whatever she wants to do with him? After all, he brought this upon himself. I have already suffered my own share. No. He was there for me when I was afflicted. Leaving him means wickedness. And that means giving that wicked spirit the satisfaction she wants. God.
I thought you said you love him. It is just the first day and you are already contemplating of leaving him. You humans, you are so unpredictable. You speak about love like you understand the meaning of it.
What else do you want?
I have come to see our husband.
He is not your husband. If you love him like you claim, you wouldn't let him go through this.
No, you are the one who claims to love him. So I have come to see how much you can go taking care of a man in his condition.
He hasn't committed any abomination. He cheated, apologized, and I have forgiven him. Why can't you forgive him and take away this pain?
You are his problems. If only you would denounce him. Confess not to love him anymore. Walk away. I will heal him. Make him rich and influential. And then we would get married. Make beautiful babies. Beautiful babies. And live happily after.
I can see you have big dreams. But definitely not with this man. He is my husband. I love him. And nothing will change that.
I can kill you right now. But for a reason, I would not.
Not that you will not. You just can't.
You think so?
I have told you to stay away from that family. And you do not want to bring him home. Then stay away from them.
I wanted to bring him home, Mother. But you were giving me conditions.
What condition did I give to you?
You said, if I bring him home and marry him, I do not have the right to go to the human world again and have fun.
Yes, I said that. You want to have him all to yourself. You want to marry him And yet, you want to go back to the human world to flex. Is that not the same crime you are torturing him of?
Give me some time, Mother. Let me decide if I want to bring him home or not.
If you are going to bring him home, I will tell my faithful servant, Mmiri, to take her hands off. But if you're not going to bring him home, I will advise you stop torturing him.
Give me tomorrow, Mother, and I will give you answers to this.
I will wait.
I warned you to stay away from my affair. I will not warn you again.
With all due respect to the princess of the sea, I was not meddling in your affair. Human affair is my affair, and is also the Queen Mother's affair. You are taking this too far.
Do you know what love is all about? Have you felt love before? He made me feel like I've never felt in my entire world. And all I asked in return was for him to love me. But no! He said he's married. He has a wife.
Yes, he is married. And I think that is enough reason why you should let him go. Go out there and look for someone else.
Then why did he lie to me? That he was single when I first met him.
You know what? Men lie. Men cheat. Even when they love you with everything they have, they will still cheat on you.
And then you mortals call that love?
Yes. That he cheated on you does not mean he doesn't love you. That is mad for you.
Then all men needs to be punished for this.
No. You cannot punish them. You are not their creator.
So you're telling me that if I marry him and take him home, one day he would also cheat on me?
Definitely, yes. Even when he tells you that he doesn't cheat. Even when you catches him red-handed.
And why is that?
That is the nature of man. That is the reason why you should forgive him. We have our own fault. We shouldn't blame them that much.
Are you saying that it is right to cheat on the one you claim to love?
No. It's very wrong.
A lot of things are happening, yeah. A lot of things are going on inside this house. Could someone tell me why this wrong in my house?
Babe,
Are you okay?
I think I want to use the toilet again.
Again? This is unfair. You should have told me. Now you should have used it completely before allowing me bring you here.
I'm sorry, I thought I had finished.
No, now you. What's all this? What is all this?
I'm sorry.
Why do I have to take you there again? I have to wash you again. Do you know how stressful it is carrying you to the toilet? Oh God. I don't. Oh my goodness.
I have been on your husband's case for the past 2 days. Tomorrow is okay. I will appease the goddess. And after that, I will start proper treatment.
Thank you so much, Mmiri. Thank you.
Mmiri, thank you so much. Nnebe, you have to come for cleansing so that she will not turn against you again. You have to come back with 1 coconut, 3 eggs, so that we can pray to the Queen Mother, so that she will not have right against you again. I hope you understand.
Adamiri, after appeasing the Queen Mother, will my husband be fine?
He will be fine. I just want the Queen Mother to give me the permission to heal him. And after everything, he will be okay. But don't forget, tomorrow, come back with 1 coconut and 3 eggs. Don't forget. Adamiri, we will not forget and we are grateful.
Who's that? Who's that? Hey, why are you wicked now? What? Hey, God will punish you. Hey, God will punish you. Who is that person? Who is that?
I thought you said God would punish me.
Angel, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Now tell me, do you love me?
I love my wife. Hey!
I ask you again, do you love me?
I love my wife!
Now listen, confess your love for me and I will heal you of this. Otherwise, you will be dead before she comes back.
I love my wife!
You are such a fool. Serves you right. Oh my.
Lot of things are happening, yeah. A lot of things are going on inside this house.
Baby.
Someone tell me why this wrong in my house. Can someone tell me what is wrong? I cannot take this anymore.
Babe, you sleeping? Babe. Baby. Baby, what is this? Babe. Babe. Baby. Baby. Baby, no, baby, you can't do this to me. Baby, you can't. Baby, please, you can't do this to me, babe. Babe. Oh, babe. 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 Sorry.
Babe.
It's okay.
Babe, is that you?
It's me. It's me. Babe. Don't be worried. I was scared. Babe. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, please. Just calm down, okay? You're fine. It's okay.
Oh. How is it doing? What is it? Talk to me.
He's not fine, honestly. He's not okay.
Oh my God. Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
Victor, you are his friend. And I must tell you the truth. I am tired. Very tired.
Please, you can't be tired at this point. You have to bear with him. Please, both of you are in this together.
No. He brought this upon us. It's his problem. Yeah, why did he have to drag me into it?
You are making a mistake. At this point now, we have to stop blaming anybody. You don't need to blame him. You have to do anything possible for him to be well again. Remember, you were afflicted. He did everything humanly possible to make sure you are okay. At this point now, you have to show him love. You have to show him that you are his wife.
It was Linda who helped us. Okay?
No, you got it wrong. He was fighting at your back. He is my friend, I can't lie.
Victor, tomorrow we are going to appease the goddess. If after tomorrow, this hide and seek triangle between his secret lover and him continues, I will have no choice than to give them a chance.
No,
okay?
no.
I have my life to live.
No, I said no. If you love him, you don't leave. You stay and protect your husband. You can't leave him at this point. If you leave him, he will die and you know it. He didn't leave you when you were in this condition. If you love him, show him care, show him love, make sure he recovers. Then you now know the next thing. Please, my friend, you'll be fine. We love you and we still need you.
What do you want from me?
If you dare visit Mmiri tomorrow, you will not return alive.
So why are you telling me?
Just a friendly advice from me to you.
Advice? You're my enemy and you're advising me on the danger ahead. That is, if there is any danger. Doesn't add up.
You think you're wise, right?
No. I think you're not as powerful as you made us believe. Queen Mother is the most powerful and she calls the shots. But I figured she's not as cruel as you are.
I will make you cry.
I have cried already. You took away my child, afflicted me. Now even if you kill my husband and I, it still won't make any difference. Because I have cried so much. I definitely will not give you the satisfaction you so desire.
Enough. You do not have the right to do that which you are about to do. And I will not take it lightly when any of my daughters tries to disobey me. I have given you choice and you have chosen. Mother, you choose human over me. Humans worship me. They do my bidding and they look up to me as well. You are my daughter. And I do not expect you to stoop so low and fall in love with your subjects. Mmiri,
Yes, my
your
friend.
request has been granted and all your prayers answered. You can go ahead and treat him. It will be okay.
It is over. He will be fine. Come and take your husband home. But don't forget, when all this will be over, you and your husband will come with white hair. Then we all will go to the river for Thanksgiving.
Thank you so much, Adamiri. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I can see. I can see. I can see. Babe, I can see. I can see, baby. I can see.
Baby, you can see me.
Babe, I can see you, but I can see.
What happened?
Babe, what happened to your face?
My face?
Babe, look at the mirror. Babe, what happened to your... Hey, what happened to your face?
Baby, what happened to my face? What happened to my face?
Babe, calm down, relax.
How can I calm down when I have this on my face? Baby, how can I calm down?
Relax, I'm sure it's a dream. Just calm down.
Why did she do this to me?
Oh my God. Just calm down, okay? Just calm down.
Baby, what's going to happen to me? What's going to happen to my face now? Babe, what's going to happen to me?
Just calm down. I know it's a dream. Just...
It's nothing. It's just a mark. She gave you this mark to know whether your husband will still love you if you remain like this for the rest of your life.
Like this? Please, Mmiri, we have to do something. Please.
It is a permanent mark.
What are you saying? That I'm going to be like this for the rest of my life?
The Queen Mother said, it is Angel's mark, and only she can take it away.
Let us appease her, please.
Angel is a stubborn princess.
She can never be appeased.
Mmiri, please, you have to do something. Please. Honey, I don't think I can go out with my face looking like this.
Hey, it's fine. Look, your husband is healed. I'm okay. That woman is gone for good. And regardless of how your face looks, you know I love you. So don't worry. You can always go like this. You'll be fine.
I am touched by your love. I have seen love, but yours transcends all. Despite everything I've done to you, your love still was stronger. Fred, I can see that you love your wife so much. But I wonder why you cheated on her. Make sure you don't repeat this mistake again. Because if you do, you might be bringing doom to your home. Nadine, I am proud of you. You are a faithful woman. I'll walk away from your lives. You will never see me again. After this time. I will let you enjoy your marriage and have a peaceful home. But first, let me heal your wound. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, for I come in peace.
Wait! Is this my wife? Oh my god! Hey!
What does this mean?
Oh, thank God.
Baby, I'm so happy. Now we can go out.
Of course you can. Of course. Yeah. Yeah. Look. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I cheated on you. I promise never to ever cheat on you again. I love you and you alone. Please.
It's okay. Forgive me. Okay. Let's go out.
Okay. Don't want to spoil my wife later.
Lot of things are happening, yeah. A lot of things are going on inside this house. Can someone tell me what is wrong in my house? Can someone tell me what is wrong?